This small object uses physics, pressure, and precision engineering to complete its job in less than 1 second. But what actually happens inside a rifle when a bullet is fired? To understand that, we need to look inside the system, not to learn how to use a weapon, but to understand how engineering and physics work together in a controlled mechanical process. A rifle is made of several key components, and each one has a specific role. The barrel, the bolt, the firing mechanism, and the cartridge all work together in a precise sequence. Nothing here is random. Every movement is calculated. Let's begin with the cartridge itself. A cartridge is not just a bullet. It consists of 4 main parts. The bullet at the front, the casing that holds everything together, the gunpowder inside, and the primer at the base. The bullet does not move on its own. All motion begins only after a controlled internal reaction occurs. When the firing mechanism is activated, a small internal component strikes the primer. This primer creates a tiny spark, which ignites the gunpowder inside the casing. This is not an explosion. It is a rapid, controlled release of energy. That energy creates extremely high pressure inside the chamber. With nowhere else to go, the pressure pushes the bullet forward into the barrel. Now the barrel plays a very important role. Inside the barrel are spiral grooves, known as rifling. These grooves force the bullet to spin as it travels forward. This spinning motion stabilizes the bullet in the air, helping it remain balanced and move in a predictable direction. This is where the word rifle actually comes from. As the bullet moves down the barrel, the pressure behind it begins to drop. Once the bullet exits the barrel, the forward motion is complete. At the same time, the rifle's internal system manages what happens next. The empty casing is separated, and the internal mechanism resets itself. All of this happens in fractions of a second. What makes this process fascinating is how controlled it is. There is no chaos inside the rifle. Every step happens in a specific order, designed through years of engineering, testing, and refinement. From a physics perspective, this process demonstrates energy transfer, pressure dynamics, motion, and rotational stability, all occurring almost instantly. From an engineering perspective, it shows how multiple components can work together without direct human control. Once the sequence begins, it's important to remember this explanation is purely educational. Understanding how something works internally does not mean learning how to operate it. This is about knowledge, not usage. Machines like this are studied because they combine physics, materials science, and precise mechanical timing into a compact system. Similar principles are used in many other technologies, including engines, industrial tools, and mechanical devices. By slowing the process down and examining each stage, we gain a deeper appreciation for the precision involved. What appears simple on the outside is actually the result of complex internal coordination. So when we ask, what happens inside a rifle when a bullet is fired? The answer is not violence. The answer is not chaos. The answer is engineering, physics, and controlled energy, working together in a carefully designed sequence. And that is what makes the mechanism itself worth understanding.